young people in front of you are the members of the NJSO Youth Orchestras string ensemble, led by Naomi Youngstein, who is violinist with the NJSO.
Our ensembles have been lately invited to NJ-PAC, keeping things like in a family together. The audience can not only go see the NJSO main concert, but also smaller ensembles playing in the lobby. The idea is to keep the community engaged around the idea of an orchestra. That's the main energy of all this. We have the opportunity, for example, to open a concert with the Academy Youth Orchestra, playing in NJ-PAC with the entire NJSO looking at them and the audience, and very successfully. What I can see is real, raw enthusiasm. And it's hard to see nowadays, these young players so engaged in a common idea, whether it's the piece or the performance itself.
I fully credit much of my musical development to this program, not just in terms of ensemble playing or orchestral playing, but just technique and building musicianship. This program has been so instrumental to my development as a musician. Through music ed, I've learned important life lessons, perseverance, how to work through something.
It taught me to, first to listen, of course, also to really practice, work hard.
Music is a universal language. There's so many diverse ways to communicate, and I think what this program taught me is to accept people wherever they came from. It's good to look back at from your starting progress to how much you've achieved.
I think other people are gonna view it as my skill improved. Well, that's partly true, but more it's about my own confidence.
It brings a lot of joy to everybody around them, and I'm sure that that comes from them, from the enthusiasm of achieving something that they did not expect.